Hello and welcome to another one of our product review videos. So today we're going to be reviewing a full size freezer that's purchased from Currys. It's the Essentials from the Essentials range, and the model number is CTF55W18, 55cm white tall freezer, as I just said. We've had a dishwasher from them before for the Essentials range. It's been really good, so we thought we'd go with them again for something. So.
Right, okay, excuse the state, but we're sort of renovating this property. Anyway, I needed a freezer. I bought this Essentials one from Currys, $2.19, picked it up from local store. Excellent service. See, really deep drawers. They are 36 centimetres long going in.
Okay.
That's quite
so
important.
Its depth is 36, yeah.
And the width 37, say 36 by 36.
What about
square.
the height?
17.5. Nice and easy to access. I've seen this on other reviews. Nice little feature here.
It's in here.
Yeah. I've got a booklet in there, but I think the thing I like about this is the drawers transparent, so you can see what's in there. Normally they're white.
Yeah.
So somebody had a bit of a think about that. Nice deep drawer at the bottom. Can't see more than that. How easy are they to come out? Fairly easy to clean. Putting them back in. Just tilt back. Because that's important to clean it, etc. Yeah, so everything fairly easy. Yeah, medium, max.
So it has a obviously temperature at the front, as you can see. Doesn't have any power on LED.
No, you know it's on.
Neon. The only thing it probably could have done with, but apart from that.
But if you're ready, that thing sticks out on the plug. But for a couple of £100, good value for money. I don't know how it's something when they decide where to buy.
Yeah. So if you're thinking about buying one of these, this is sort of what you can expect it to look like.
Essentials Currys freezer.
And how tall are you?
Right, well I am
so
6 foot.
Height wise as well.
That is 143 centimetres tall.
Yep.
And it's not very wide, which is 55 centimetres wide, which is quite good.
So it's not massive, but it's
Benefit
big enough.
Something not as tall as say this is at least you can use it to put stuff on and it's easily accessible.
Because this is a hot point fridge we've got. This is a full size fridge. We just wanted a full size freezer.
But you can use this to put stuff on top as well. It's easy
yeah.
to access a microwave or something, so yeah.
So if you think about buying one of them.
Oh, it's got adjustable legs on it as well.
Has it?
So
Oh,
if you like us, you've got
we are in the process of doing the place up, so it's a bit of a state at the
wibbly
moment.
wobbly floor. You can just adjust, unscrew the legs down. And at some point it will, there we go.
There we go, so it's quite easy to do that as well.
Very quiet as well.
Oh, that's important, yeah.
Yeah, we turned it on, it's quiet, and I can feel it getting cold straight away.
Yeah.
So that's good. Oh, and well packaged.
But yeah, very well packaged. Lot of polystyrene. Doors are all taped, packaging, and
you would get this.
cardboard boxes.
You would get this. You could get this in a car with the seats down. Definitely in a estate. Large hatchback, no problem.
Yeah, you could get it in. You could get it in an estate, no problem at
If
all.
you're feeling brave on some roof bars, or get it delivered.
Or get it delivered, and they do offer that
Next
facility.
day
So.
delivery. Yeah.
Right, thanks for watching.